Hey my foodie gang! Welcome back to Eating is a Must! Today I'll be showing you just a quick tutorial on how to make your own coconut milk. The first things you'll need is something to chop your coconut with or burst it with, and of course your dry coconut. The coconut has to be dry. You can't use a green coconut. Now for this part, I recommend you do it over the sink or in an area where you don't mind getting messy, where it can be cleaned up easily. So you're going to go in and you're going to hit the coconut while turning it until it bursts open. Now if you have strong arms and a very strong wrist, this may take you maybe 1 or 2 hits and you have it open. But for me, I'm not that strong, so it takes me, a couple hits. Or should I say, it took me more than a couple hits to get this open. Nonetheless, we got it opened. Now you're going to go ahead and break it into smaller pieces. The coconut can be a bit sharp, guys, so be very careful when you're getting this into smaller pieces. It can cut you, so just be very careful. Let's get into the tricky and tedious part, guys. You have to make sure you use a dull knife, and you're going to go just in between the shell and the flesh or the meat of the coconut. That's the white part, and you're going to dig it out just as you see me doing it. So be very careful. So you push the knife down and you brace and kind of pop it up off the shell, and you keep going until it's all done. I'm using a kitchen towel, guys, just to give my hands a little bit more protection from the shell. Look at this big piece that I just got out, guys. Look at that. Let's see if we can get this one as big as that one. Let's see if we can get it all out in one go. I'm getting there. Yep. Not as big, but I got it. Little piece left. Let's see if I can get this one out in one try. There we go, I got it. That's it, guys, we're all done. It's just shell that I have in my sink. Now it's time to have our coconut washed. I'm now cutting the coconut in very small pieces so it can fit into my blender, and then we're going to blend it up. Let's add 1 cup of water to the blender or coconut, and we're going to blend on medium to high speed. Now that it's all blended, it's now time to strain this. And there you have it, guys, your organic coconut milk. This can be used in your rice and peas, your puddings, or even your soup. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.